Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your DigitalFirst AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your DigitalFirst AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address digitalfirst.ai and click on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of DigitalFirst AI. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, this is the home page of DigitalFirst. So let's wait for the page to load. And after the page loads guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us over here. In order to sign into our account, let's click on the login button available over here. But guys, if you have not yet created an account on DigitalFirst, you can simply click on the try free button to go through the registration process of DigitalFirst AI and for free at up to certain time. And that being said, let's click on login to sign into DigitalFirst AI on your computer, and the login page of the DigitalFirst AI will open over here. And guys, over here, in order to sign into your account, you can log into your account with your registered account, or you can simply sign in with your Google, Facebook, or your Apple account, whichever you choose you can log in with. To do that, simply click on any of these buttons available over here. I will be clicking on the Google, and after this page loads, click on this button and you will be logged into your DigitalFirst AI or any Google account available on your browser, and you'll be logged into your Digital AI with your Google account. Similarly, that thing will happen for Facebook as well as Apple also. So with that being said guys, let's enter our email address, and after that enter your password. Oops, I did a mistake. And let's enter the password. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password button. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to set or retrieve your account's password. And to entering your email address, your password, simply click on sign in, and then guys, you'll be logged into your DigitalFirst AI online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.